In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete shifts in Hubstaff. If you're managing a team's schedule and juggling many tasks, it's crucial to keep your Hubstaff calendar as clean and organized as possible. Thankfully, deleting shifts is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's navigate over to your Hubstaff dashboard. Once you're logged in, take your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find the menu options stacked vertically. Here, you're looking for the calendar option. The calendar in Hubstaff is your go-to tool for visualizing all your team's scheduled shifts. Clicking on it will take you to the comprehensive view of your current schedules. Now that we're on the calendar page, you might find a list of shifts already visible. It's here that you can see all the upcoming and past scheduled shifts. This overview can help you identify which shifts need to be adjusted or removed altogether. On the right-hand side, you'll notice an option labeled Action. This button is key in managing your shifts. Hover your mouse over the Action button. Clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to the shift you're examining. Among these options, there is one called Delete Shifts. This is the function we're focused on today. By choosing Delete Shifts, a prompt will likely appear on your screen. This prompt typically serves as a confirmation and ensures that you're certain about this decision to remove the shifts from your schedule. It's always useful to double-check that you're deleting the correct shift, as once they're removed, they can't easily be restored without re-entering all the pertinent details. A good practice is to review all the information about the shift you intend to delete. Ensure that the dates, times, and any linked reports are exactly what you mean to erase. If everything checks out and you're ready to proceed, go ahead and confirm the deletion. With this action completed, you'll notice the shift is immediately removed from your calendar. This update allows you to keep your scheduling accurate and up to date, aiding in the smooth management of resources and time. Whether it's removing past shifts that are no longer relevant or correcting scheduling errors, this streamlined process will help in maintaining clarity and effectiveness in your planning. So that's it. Now you know how to delete shifts in Hubstaff. The process is quick and efficient, allowing you to handle changes in your team's schedules effortlessly. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it brings a little more ease and organization to your management tasks. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.